Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'm going to share how you can disable the notifications or pop-up ads on Google Chrome. It is really very easy and let's go ahead and do that. So once you have opened the Google Chrome, at the top right corner you have three dots and then you need to go to settings. Now once you are here in settings, you need to go to privacy and security. And you will get an option like clear browsing data, security, and site settings. So once you click on site settings, we just need to scroll it down to the bottom, and here you can get the notification. Site can ask to send notification. You can select this. Sites can ask you to send the notification or don't allow sites to send the notification. So you can do that, and whatever the sites you have allowed to send the notification, you can check it from here and you can also remove it from here. And once you are satisfied, just click on back and we will scroll it down more, and here you will find pop-ups and redirects. So once you click on that, I can see that my Google Chrome is set to don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. So please make sure that you have done that. And if you have allowed or something, then you can remove it from here. I hope this short tutorial has helped you. If yes, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.